Hi there, welcome to Garden Friends. I am here today with my favorite garden friend and one of my watering buckets that has a hole in it. And he is going to try to fix this for me. So without further ado, I will let him explain what he's going to do.
I'm going to basically weld this hole shut with similar plastic, and it doesn't say what kind of plastic. Most other jugs will have the little recycled thingy and tell you what kind of plastic it is. This one's HDPE, high density polyethylene. They're not compatible. And what you can do is, if you've got a soldering iron, this one happens to be for plastic repair, and you can try to check your melting points, right? And if you have the same melting point, chances are you have the same plastic. And I've got this little rheostat on here to control the heat, and we got this one where it just melts, and you can kind of fuse the cracks back together like that. But when you try the HDPE, see, different melting point, and it won't melt into the other plastic. Okay, how it just kind of pushes it off. So what I did was cannibalize some of this plastic from another pitcher, and we're just going to use this to plug this little hole. Let's give it a try. I scuffed it up with some sandpaper before to kind of make sure you know where the plastic is thinned out to. And let's put some more on here.
Looks good.
Yeah, I think it's kind of feathered in. Well, let's just let it cool. And let's put some reinforcement on this handle here. Try to stop this crack.
Well, these buckets come in handy.
Look at that.
I keep one underneath the air conditioner drain.
Yeah,
have a
catch the
couple-
condensate. That's pure water.
Nice and cold too.
Distilled water. All right. Well, what do you think? A little bit more use out of it?
I think so.
Hey, saved $7.
Thank you very much. Can't wait to try it out.
You are welcome.